I feel like I'm sort of accepted within a community, so it makes me feel very much at home.
Your Story, Your Collection is a project by Rugby Art Gallery and Museum, which is aiming to engage new audiences with the museum collections and get new stories to make the collection more representative of people in rugby today. Within the workshops, we've been working with an artist, Jess, to create pop-up books based around the feeling of home, people's memories and their experiences of rugby, whether that's a building, a person, an object, or just a feeling.
We started off with looking at museum objects to inspire people and trigger memories, and then we've had discussions and conversations about these. We've then created our own pop-up books, so we've used a range of different art forms to do that, such as collage, stenciling. It's been really joyful and lots of interesting discussions as we've gone throughout the project.
Everybody's got their own personal life story, so you get little snippets of what's happened to them, how they've ended up in rugby, or whether they've lived here all their life. Yeah, it's quite joyful to hear some of their thoughts and what kind of things are important to them as well.
Just that idea of making and doing opens up avenues for other people to talk when, if they was just sat in front of somebody, that would be quite difficult. So I think as an artist that's been really, really joyful to see.
It is important project like this to happen because it involves different communities together and it brings people together and they learn together and explore and they learn something new.
I think this workshop's very beneficial for people and you get to know some truly amazing people along the way.
We get to explore how we feel about rugby, and we also get coffee and biscuits.
Yeah, and tea.
A lot of the people that are taking part in the workshops didn't know each other before, and now they have built really strong relationships.
It's been very enjoyable.
It's been really inspiring for me actually. It really makes you feel like you have a connection with the people around you.
Hearing people's stories and memories and being able to share them with the public has been one of the best parts about this project.